recognise this place? Some of you will have seen the previous RAS videos, and this is the RAS in production. It's very exciting. We're going to have a look. Apparently there's about 8,000 catfish down there, and so we're just going to go and have a look and see how they're getting on. I can see immediately some issues with the pond. Can you see there? Just, you probably can't see on camera, but that part is just incredibly green. And even that pond over there is very green. So that basically means it's over fertilised. If you compare it to the colour there, the brown pond, which is not fertilised, then that colour here is sort of good, and then that's incredibly green. And it's, well, it's perhaps not a problem. I don't actually know if I don't think he's got much fish in those ponds. But the reason it's green is because of all the nutrients in these RAS system that are being, well, the waste really. So the fish, of course, excrete waste as they eat. Some of the feed decomposes, and then that is going into that water, making it incredibly green. So let's go and have a look. This is just to familiarise yourself with the place. Oh, and I'll start with an introduction, shall I? Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Tim. I'm here with RAD, Rural Aquaculture Development, here in Uganda, and we are supporting fish farmers. You can see here, this is Andrew's place. This is a chicken farm. So they've got, been here a couple of times now, and they've got poultry in these barns up here, poultry down there, but this is the part we want to have a look at today. The reason we come here is because this is where we get the feed for our black soldier fly. So you can see here the Magara and Samuel, they've loaded up the tuk-tuk. It's dripping some liquid, but this is basically chicken manure, and it's got some, this is the foreman, hi. It's got some really high quality, what's the word I want? Basically it's full of waste, it's full of ammonia and undigested food, and it's got some maize in there, and the maggots, the black soldier fly, turn that into, well, they eat that because it's organic waste. And then we can collect the maggots, and we get RAS, which is a really good fertiliser, and we get feed. So this is the system. You can see they're using a pump here to circulate water. Can you see it spraying over there? And let me just give you a show. We might not be able to see any of the catfish, because catfish are bottom feeders. So most of the time they'll be in the bottom of these tanks. This one's empty, mostly. Looks like there's a bit of leftover. You can see how the drainage systems work. It gets filtered through. Down here?
This one.
Uh-huh.
And the other one too.
Yeah.
Plus those three small ones.
Ah, okay.
The big ones where I'm putting it.
Okay. So that's where you have your catfish?
Catfishes are here.
Yeah. And how many do you have in this tank?
This one?
Yeah.
Have the bigger ones.
Yeah.
But they're like 100 and something.
100 something?
Yes.
100 kilos or 100 fish?
100
pieces.
In accountability.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Not kilos.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then you circulate the water just to keep this for aeration?
This one?
Yeah.
These are small ones.
Oh yeah, I can see some of them swimming. I just saw one swim. Yeah, you can see them popping up. See their heads? I'll zoom in for you.
Even this one is small.
So this is I'll show you the catfish in a second. This is the exchange. So the water comes out down here, and then it's discharged into the pond. You can see why it's like incredibly green. And then from there, okay. And then this is, oh yeah, you can see, ooh, I scared them. You can see them all floating in the water. And there's some feed down here as well. So yeah, and then of course you've got to pump the water. So let's go and have a look over here. We'll see the hose, a bit wet. Yeah. And this is the water that's flowing. The water flowing in and mixing it. Because one of the things, of course, with RAS, it's up to this level. Okay. One of the things about RAS, of course, is that you're you've got so much fish in a small area that you need oxygen. So that's why we're doing that, is to add water in. So I'm going to get a bit slowly so we can see them. I can just saw them at the surface, and I could actually see they were gasping. So that means they're at the surface looking for oxygen. So if we go slowly and then spend a bit of time, we should be able to see the fish come up. And you can see all the feeds there as well. So yeah, so this is, we're out here in rural Uganda, very remote part of the world, and there's catfish being raised in these tanks, which is thanks to the technology that exists. I think I've shared my thoughts before on RAS. I think it's can be quite difficult to get right. They're all coming up now. I can see them all. I'm going to slowly move the camera so you can see. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll leave you for now, but do subscribe and like, and we will see you in the next video.